Well, just you can come up then. This is only an hour and a half since the operation.
Okay.
So any pain down your leg, that severe pain you had?
At the moment, no.
Nothing.
At all.
The posture will improve because it's been like this for at least 6 months. It will take some time to improve because the muscles are almost locked in that position. But no pain now?
Not
Any
at all.
weakness?
It's like feeling in the back, but
Just
not,
in the back.
not a pain. It's just like feel that it's
Yes.
there's
yeah.
something basically.
And let's see you have a walk. Good. And the strength is okay?
Yeah, it's much straighter than before.
Yes.
Yeah, before I had to put my hand on my
Yes.
side.
I think, as I said, it will, over the next 2 weeks, when I video you in clinic in 2 weeks, we will see the difference.